Okay, I finished my crust and I'm getting it down in my springform pan. And I'll go over the pan in just a moment. I'm just patting this down until, I get to the edges of the pan. You can see I'm still working it out, but just patting everything down. And just so you know, because I didn't have a heaping cup of the crushed vanilla wafers, I was short just a little bit. I wanted a little bit thicker crust, so I just made a little bit more. Just eyeballed it. A couple more vanilla wafers, a little bit more melted butter, a little bit more sugar. Not hard at all. You just, however, whatever size pan you have, 9-inch is recommended. So I'm just patting this down. And a springform pan is absolutely, in my opinion, crucial for a good cheesecake. And when I show you how we assemble it or deassemble it, if you will, you'll understand why. Because you can't lift a cheesecake out of a pan. You don't want to slice it out of a pan. It doesn't really work that way. So springform allows you to actually take the pan off the cake. So if you want to make a really great cheesecake, invest in a springform. They're really the only way to go. So, okay, I have this, everything pressed down, and I just kind of crumbled up, maybe a little bit bigger chunks that I saw. And I'll just give you a little look. See how this pressed down in there very nicely, evenly, but nice and thin. I'm going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. We just want to get this baking a little bit. It's going to really bring out a kind of a nutty flavor. And it's just to get that started, because once you pour over that filling, the cheesecake part is pretty dense. And so if you didn't cook this first, this actually wouldn't get a chance to cook at all, because it's hiding underneath that heavier filling. So 10 to 12 minutes in the oven at 350 degrees.